I, Mrs. Janvi Banerjee, chemistry teacher. I have made ebook for standard 11 and 12, subject chemistry. And this is chemistry ebook for standard 11. The different contents of standard 11 book: syllabus, NCERT book, NCERT notes, NCERT solution, NCERT exemplar solution, previous year's questions, etc. Now I am going to show the textbook of NCERT. So this is chemistry ebook for standard 11. Chemistry 11 chapters, total 14 chapters are there and all chapters uploaded here. First chapter is some basic concept in chemistry and some basic concept in chemistry. Second chapter, structure of atom, chemical thermodynamics, chapter hydrogen, S block elements, P block elements, organic chemistry, and hydrocarbon chapter and environmental chemistry. This is the last chapter of standard 11, chapter 14. Some basic concept of chemistry and structure of atoms. 14 periods required to complete this chapter, structure of atom. Classification of elements, 8 periods are required to complete this chapter. In this pattern, I have made, that is all the chapters content here, NCERT content, NCERT exercise. This is chapter 4, chemical bonding and molecular structure, 14 periods requires. And 70 marks theory, 30 marks practical. This is chapter 5, states of matter, gases and liquids, and 3 states of matter, intermolecular interaction, types of forces, chemical thermodynamics. This is very important chapter. 16 periods requires concept of system and types of systems, surroundings, work, heat, energy, extensive and intensive properties, state functions, etc. And third law of thermodynamics, second law and third law, only the statement. Now chapter 7, that is chemical equilibrium and ionic equilibrium, that we have to study. And next is chapter 8, redox reaction. Total 6 periods are required. And chapter 9, hydrogen. Total 8 periods are required, that is position of hydrogen in the periodic table, currents, isotopes, preparation, properties and uses of hydrogen, hydrides, ionic hydrides, covalent hydrides, interstitial hydrides, physical and chemical properties of this. Now, S block elements, alkali and alkaline earth metals, that is group 1 elements, that is alkali metals, and group 2 elements, alkaline earth metals. After that, preparation and properties of some important compounds like a sodium carbonate, sodium chloride, sodium hydroxide, and sodium hydrogen carbonate. And next is P block elements. In standard 11, group 13 and 14, that is 2 groups the students will study, and periods, total 14 periods. Group 13 boron family and group 14 carbon family, group 14. Now unit 12, that is organic chemistry, some basic principles and techniques, 14 periods are required. And now 13 chapters, chapter hydrocarbon. This is very, very important chapters in organic chemistry. Total periods 12. Classification of hydrocarbons, alkane, alkene and alkyne. Alkane, that is saturated hydrocarbons, alkene and alkyne, unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkenes having double bond and alkyne having triple bond, and aromatic hydrocarbons, that is the benzene. Their benzene preparation, properties, resonance, and electrophilic substitution reactions, mechanisms, nitration, sulfonation, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and carcinogenic genicity and toxicity of the organic compounds. And the last chapter, Standard 11, Environmental Chemistry. 6 periods are required: water pollution, soil pollution, that is environmental pollution, global warming, ozone layer depletion, greenhouse effect. So different contents, different chapters, all chapters in the ebook have published. Now practicals 30 marks and volumetric analysis, then salt analysis and content based experiment. Total 3 types practical and 30 marks in the practical exam. Volumetric analysis 8 marks, salt analysis 8 marks, content based experiment 6 marks, project work 4 marks, class record 4 marks. So total 30 marks. And total periods 60 periods for practical syllabus. So these are the different experiments in the practicals. So up to this, and sample paper, previous year questions, notes, etc. This is given here. Now I am going to show the standard 12 ebook. This is standard 12 ebook, and contents of this book: first is syllabus, second NCERT book, third NCERT notes, fourth NCERT exemplar solution, fifth NCERT textbook in text and exercise solution, and sixth sample papers of different years, seventh previous year's paper. Now I am going to tell the page number of syllabus, that is 1 to 8, NCERT books 9 to 467, NCERT notes 468 to 588, and fifth NCERT exemplars 589 to 817, and next solution 819 to 1240, and next is 1241 to 1447 sample paper, and previous year questions 1448 to 1730. Now theory paper 70 marks and practical 30, and in theory paper time 3 hours for the board examination. First chapter solid state and number of periods 10, and next chapter is solution, number of periods 10, electrochemistry, that is number of periods 12, chemical kinetics, number of periods 10, surface chemistry, number of period 8. So in physical chemistry total marks 23, inorganic chemistry total marks 19, and these chapters include in inorganic chemistry: one is the general principles and processes of isolation of elements, P block elements, D and F block elements, coordination compounds. These chapters are included in the inorganic chemistry and marks 19 marks. Now for the organic chemistry, first chapter haloalkanes and haloarenes, this is chapter 10. Now chapter 11, alcohol phenols and ethers. Chapter 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Chapter 13, amines. These chapters include in organic chemistry and marks and biomolecules, also biomolecules, polymers, chemistry in everyday life. So 4 chapters organic chemistry, next biomolecules, polymers and chemistry in everyday life. Total 7 chapters and marks 28 marks. So organic chemistry and biomolecules, polymers 28, inorganic chemistry 19 marks, and physical chemistry 23 marks. So all total that is 70 marks for theory. Now, different contents, different subtopics of the chapter solid state. First topic, classification of solids based on different bonding, others, and periods, total 10 periods. After that, the solution chapter, types of solution, expression of concentration of the solution, and periods, 10 periods. Now, electrochemistry, that is cell potential, Colera's law, Nernst equation, Faraday's law, and the period number 12 periods. After that, chapter chemical kinetics, physical chemistry, rate of the chemical reaction, order of the chemical reaction, mechanism of the reaction, period number 10. And after that, the surface chemistry, it is also includes in the physical chemistry, and total 8 periods. And next is the general principles and processes of isolation of elements, that is total 8 periods. After that, P block elements, this is the lengthy chapters, group 15, group 16, group 17, group 18, total periods, 12 periods. And after that, D and A block elements, that is transition elements, and 3D series for standard 12, and the 12 periods are required, D and A block elements. Next is coordination compounds, that is chapter number 9, coordination compounds, CFT and VVT, 12 periods are required, haloalkanes and haloarenes, chapter number 10, that is aliphatic and aromatics, haloalkanes, haloarenes, 10 periods are required. After that, the phenols and ether, chapter number 11, total periods, 10 periods. Now aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, that is chapter 12, 10 periods. After that, amines, chapter number 13, periods 10. After that, biomolecules, chapter 14, and 12 periods required. Next, polymers, chapter number 15, and total periods 8 periods. And last chapter, that is chemistry in everyday life, total periods 6 periods. And volume practicals 30 marks, volumetric analysis, that is potassium permanganate versus more salt, and potassium permanganate versus oxalic acid, 8 marks. Salt analysis, group 0, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and total marks 8 marks. After that, content based experiment, functional group detection experiment, marks 6 marks. After that, the project work different, marks 4 marks. And next, the class performance and the viva, that is 4 marks, total 30 marks. So in this way, 70 marks for theory and 30 marks for the practicals, and practical syllabus I have explained here, and different sample papers, different years, NCERT exercise, in-text question answer also here given, and NCERT exemplars also given. So these are the different organic, inorganic compounds practicals I have given here, and I hope students will be benefited through the e-book. And this is the practical examination for visually impaired students of class 11 and 12. This is also given here, different project given here, and students will be benefited through this book. But one thing, students, I have to distribute this book among the students through the app, that is Read Era, ebook Read Era app. They have to install and they can read this book. Okay, thank you.